ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. When you arrive at your destination, please focus and have fun. Welcome to your future. To learn, just press play.
Welcome back! I have a new and exciting mission for you. We will be using our skills to spell and write words with our focus sound. Press pause when you see this symbol and hear this sound. Follow the directions and press play as soon as you are done. Don't waste any time. I want you to be able to earn all of your letters to the secret code to finally find out what the secret message is. Looks like it's time to get started.
Today, you will need your pencil and scissors, but you can put them aside for now.
It's almost bedtime. You know what really puts me to sleep? Sheep. It's almost like counting sheep, but instead of counting, you will say the focus sound. Say the sound before the sheep jump over the fence. Ready?
R. Sh. V. Ew. W. Ing. Or. Ow. Oi. Ah. Ch.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 85, write the letter T. Above the number 43, write the letter H.
We are going to warm up for your mission by stretching and exercising. Listen for the focus sound
Or
and pay attention to how your mouth moves when you say that sound. Make sure you have enough space and give others their space too. I will say a word. We will stretch out the word as we stretch. Then say each sound in the word as we do each exercise movement. Remember, every time your mouth moves, you're getting ready to say a new sound. You know, every time you move your mouth, freeze and say the sound. Freeze and say the sound. Freeze with your exercise, of course. Today, we are going to stretch out the word as we bring our hand up and put it behind our head. Then we are going to say the sounds as we bend to the side. Each time, we will switch to the other side. Ready? Earth. Ready? Earth. 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 The. Ready? The. The. South. Ready? South. Ow. South. Faith. Ready? Faith. A. Faith. Both. Ready? Both. B-O. Both. Thorn. Ready? Thorn. Or. Thorn. Wreath. Ready? Wreath. tooth. Math. Ready? Math. Math. Throat. Ready? Throat. Throat. Broth. Ready? Broth. Broth. Thrill. Ready? Thrill. Thrill. Smooth. Ready? Smooth. Smooth. Breath. Ready? Breath. Breath. For this part of the mission, you will need your scissors. I want you to cut out the emoji friend in the top corner of your paper. Then, press play when you're finished. Press pause now. Welcome to our game show called Where's the Sound? You have to say the sounds in the word to figure out if our focus sound is hiding behind door number 1, door number 2, door number 3, or door number 4. Put your emoji friend that you just cut out on the paper where you think the sound will be. We will open the doors together to see if you are correct. Are you ready?
Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound th or v is in the word path. Okay, let's check. Say the sounds in path. Ready? P, a, f. If you said door number 3, you are correct. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound th or v is in moth. Let's find out. Say the sounds in moth. Ready? M, ah, th. If you said door number 3, you are right. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound th or v is in that. Say the sounds in that. Ready? V, a, t. If you said door number 1, you got it. Okay, where do you think the sound th or v is in this? Let's see if you're right. Say the sounds in this. Ready? V, I, s. If you said door number 1, you got it. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound th or v is in fifth. Let's check it out. Say the sounds in fifth. Ready? F, I, f, f. If you said door number 4, you found our emoji. Where's the th or v in cloth? Let's find out. Say the sounds in cloth. Ready? K, l, ah, th. If you said door number 4, you are correct. Where's the sound th or v in other? Okay, let's say the sounds and find out. Ready? V, If you said door number 2, you really know your stuff. Where do you think the th or v is in truth? Let's find out. Say the sounds in truth. Ready? T, ooh. If you said door number 4, you are a winner.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 90, write the letter E. Above the number 39, write the letter B.
Huddle up, team. Here we go. We must work out to get stronger so we can do our best next game. Make sure you have a pencil close by because we will need it toward the end of our workout. Follow along, count with me, and let's have some fun out there. You ready? Tap from 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. Smash from 11 to 20. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shake it out. Wiggle from 21 to 30. Ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Shake it out. You're going to rub from 31 to 40. Ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Shake it out. You're going to squeeze from 41 to 50. Ready? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Shake it out. You're going to talk from 51 to 60. Ready? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Shake it out. You're going to stretch from 61 to 70. Ready? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Shake it out. You're going to see the pencil. You're just going to lift up your fingers from 71 to 80. Ready? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. This time, you are going to pinch like you're getting ready to pinch that pencil. And on 90, you are going to pinch. Are you ready? So make sure you have that pencil nearby. You can stay on the ground and you can pinch it right by the point. Ready? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay, you have that pencil pinched. Now you're gonna lay it down to rest. And from 91 to 100, we are going to pet our pet pencil. Ready? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And you are ready to write. I'm proud of the way that you performed in practice. Now it's time to see what you're really made of. It's game time. I am going to tell you a word. This time, you're actually going to write the letters in the word. You can use the boxes to sound it out if it helps. This is the moment that we put all of our skills together. We are going to say the sounds and then write the letters. Give 110%. Make me proud out there, team. Ready?
Point to the star, sound out, and write the word with. I will go with you. With. Spell with and press play when you are ready to check it. The sounds in with are w, I, th. You spell with, W-I-T-H. Get ready for your next word. Point to the hexagon. Sound out and write the word then. We swam, then we ate. Then. Press play when you're ready. The sounds in then are th, e, n. You spell then, T-H-E-N. Point to the oval, sound out, and write the word thump. I heard a loud thump. Write thump and then press play when you're finished. Okay, let's check your work. The sounds in thump are th, m, p. You spell thump, T-H-U-M-P. Point to the circle. Sound out and write the word 10th. I am 10th in line. Write the word 10th and press play when you're finished. Let's see if you're right. The sounds in 10th are t, e, n, th. You spell 10th, T-E-N-T-H.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 15, write the letter O.
Welcome aboard the sentence sail. As your captain, I will say a sentence. I want you to count the words in the sentence. Then I will transport the sentence onto the screen. We will repeat the sentence and count the words to make sure you're correct. All hands on deck. Get ready.
Ahoy! Count the words in the sentence. Ready? I lost 3 teeth this month. Say the sentence and count the words on your fingers or on the screen with me. Ready? I lost 3 teeth this month. You should have counted 6 words. Count the words. Ready? The king is on the throne. Let's check. Ready? The king is on the throne. You should have counted 6 words. Count the words. Ready? Do not put your thumb on the thorn. Let's check. Ready? Do not put your thumb on the thorn. You should have counted 8 words. Count the words. Ready? Do you think the movie theater will be busy? Let's see how many. Ready? Do you think the movie theater will be busy? You should have counted 9 words. Great job, mates.
Today we are making a sentence. You want to be proud of your concoction, so go slow and create your masterpiece neatly. First, we add a capital letter. Then, we sound out our words, one at a time, being sure to put a space in between each word. And don't forget the final ingredient, the punctuation mark. When it is all done, try it, read it back, and make sure that it makes sense. I want you to check this sentence that I have made for you. I know there's a missing ingredient, but I just can't put my finger on it. Can you find the missing ingredient?
pause if you would like to read the sentence on your own. The sentence reads, "This is my 6th turn on the ride. Did you find the mistake?" Only the first letter should be a capital and the rest should be lowercase. You should only use a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence, in titles, and for proper nouns, like the names of people and places. Great job finding the mistake. Phew, much better. Now it has the capital at the beginning, a period at the end, spaces in between the words, and it makes sense.
Repeat after me. I promise to check to make sure my sentence makes sense. I promise to put a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I promise to put spaces in between my words. I promise to put a punctuation mark at the end. When you're done with your sentence, you may check the boxes to make sure you have fulfilled all of your promises for this mission. You may proceed and write your sentence.
When you're writing your sentence, don't forget to include at least one word with the sound Give yourself a check mark if your sentence makes sense, starts with a capital letter, has spaces in between your words, and ends with a punctuation mark.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 24, write the letter X.
If you're working in a group, take turns reading your sentences to each other. Give your friends a compliment about their sentence. A compliment is saying something that they did well, like, "I love how you remembered the capital at the beginning of your sentence," or "Great use of that adjective," or "Your writing is beautiful, it's so nice and neat." If you're working by yourself, give yourself a compliment. We always want to show compassion and kindness by staying positive. Well, that's it for our mission. Great job, everybody. Signing off until next time.